Today I'm going to be reviewing a wig suggested by one of my followers. Now it was not available in my usual color, so I thought I'd try something different. Won't you join me? Hi, I'm Mimi with Mimi Wears Hair. And if Mimi can wear hair, you can wear hair too. Today I'm going to do a review on a wig that was requested by one of my followers. Now, it was not available in my usual silver or gray colors, but I thought it's on clearance now, and why don't I just try something new? So we are going to kind of sort of review the wig itself, but also introduce me to a different color. So why don't we get right to it? The wig is, I ordered it from Paula Young, but it is by Jaclyn Smith, and it is called Dazzle. The color is SF1316, which is called Misty Mocha. So I was always a mousy brown growing up and really hated my hair color. Not until I started getting gray did I really like it, but I still dyed it and tried to cover up all of that brown. So this is going to be something new for me, going backwards toward color that I didn't really like, but I think this might be light enough that I will still enjoy it. So let's get into this box. It's called Misty Mocha, and it's not nearly as brown as I had expected it to be. It has some nice blondish highlights, so that's good. That's probably the SF frosted that goes through it. I'm hoping that it's a left part. It looks like it. Yeah, it is. So, wow, it's blonder than me. Yeah, it is. So we'll see. It's got some nice length. Oh, it looks a little like a longer Misty to me, which if you've been watching my videos, you will know that Misty is my favorite style of wig. It has that zigzag part. We're going to break that up and try this on. It's pretty. It's really pretty. Let me show you the cap. So just your basic lace open wefted, lace top open wefted, like those Velcro extension tabs to cinch it in. Okay, nothing extraordinary about the cap. It's not a lace front. So I'm gonna put that down and then we will get right to it. Oh, the wig I'm wearing is called Sunset. It's also by Jaclyn Smith. It is in the color number I don't remember, but it is called Silver Starlet is the color of this. Now I have worn this wig a lot, and so it's toned down a little bit, tamed down. My hair that I've pulled out is kind of frizzy today. I don't know why, but so all right, let's get to it. So I have decided that the easiest way for me to take off my wig is to kind of slide my fingers up those ear tabs and then just right up to the top, and that way I don't stretch out that headband, or these are meant to stretch back here, but really helps to keep the wig not so stretched. Okay, I don't know that I really have to do anything. Maybe I'll just comb this out. My hair is getting a little bit longer, not much, but I still haven't decided if I'm going to cut it all off, but that's for another day. All right. I'm going to give her a good shake. I don't know that I'm going to brush it, but I really want to break up that zigzag. So we'll just take the rat tail comb and just kind of push it in there and lift to break up some of that. I'm not going to get it all done right this very minute, but you'll get the idea of what the part will look like. So now we turn her upside down, and as per Patty Pearls, you just shake the heck out of that thing. Gosh, that is really a pretty color. A lot of permatease sticking up at the crown. I don't know if you can see all those little crimpy fibers right there. Kind of rat nesty there. Not happy about that. Don't want people looking at the crown of my head and seeing a rat's nest. All right, let's one more shake. Now, like I said, it's longer in the back, so I'm hoping it's very similar to Misty. Okay, I was really sad it wasn't in my color, but you know what? I've decided that even though I may not wear them all, I'm going to give you the opportunity to see the color in the different styles of wigs. This is a clearance item now. It just showed up on a flash sale, and when I ordered it, it was not clearance, but you can almost tell as they're marking these down that they're getting ready to go to clearance soon. But like I said, I don't even know if any in this particular style called Dazzle is available on the Paula Young website. All right. Ear tabs are the usual ear tabs. They're not too short like a couple of them that I've had. Here we go. Very tight, it's not a small cap, but if I can't dive in right away and get my forehead to grab that, I know that it's smaller. I'm going to put those towards, make it a little longer so that it'll stretch, but I don't know if that's going to help me. We'll see. All right, I'll try again. I'm not opposed to wearing a tighter cap. They do relax and loosen up after wear, so I had to put it on my eyebrows to get it to grab my head. Okay, so then what I do is I just grab these ear tabs and pull them forward and kind of make sure that they are even across from each other. So that way, not stretching up here, but just making sure that it's seated back here. Then I'll run my finger up there. I left my fringe out, so I'll grab that, make sure my wig grip isn't showing, and voila. Okay, now I can't see anything. I have a mirror now, a new mirror that I am looking into. I don't know if my hair even matches this color. Well, it's a pretty color. I don't know that it's me. It's not nearly as mousy brown as I thought it was. The wig itself, I thought there would be more permatease in it, but I like my higher to heaven, closer to God hair. So you're going to hear me say that probably in every video where there's not much hair at the top. Now, it's very, the fibers are nice, but but there's not a whole lot of hair compared to some of my other wigs. Like my Sunset has a lot of hair. My Jaclyn Smith Sunset that I just took off. Okay, so let's... Cute. This is cute. This style Dazzle... hair in my eye, it really hurts. Is adorable. I don't know. I'm not used to seeing me in anything with color, but this is really, I love the style. I love this shaggy. I'm a bang girl also, so I've got to have my bangs. I don't even care. I love to have my widow's peak show. I don't even care if the bangs are side swept or if they're in the front, because I have learned how to blend my widow's peak in so that it will show and look much more natural. We could tuck it. We can't really do much more because it is a straighter style. So me brushing and combing it all this way, and wow, now I look like I have just a streak because this is so much lighter. All right, I'm not liking the tuck. Let's see. I have a little bit of a flat back, and the back of my head is very flat. Now, I have wondered if, now that my ponytail, my hair is getting longer and my ponytail is a little bit more substantial, does that now affect the way the wig is laying? Because now the wig grip doesn't always capture everything, and I have a bump, which I've always had a bump there, but now it seems very flat right here. All right, I'm gonna give you a little tour. I think if I wore this wig that I would not pull out my hair, because I don't think it makes it look too natural on the side. So, okay. I have no idea. It's all, you know, I know there's also wig box hair, and I think that's what's going on right now with this, because it feels a little like there's a fold up there. So we're going to give it a spin. Okay. Now this is a color called Misty Mocha. And what is the number again? I don't have my glasses on. So. Dazzle in SF1316. Size is average, but again, on me, some averages tend to be tighter. So very flat, it seems right here, very flat. I like the length. See, right here is my ponytail, and then I have this like flat space, and it's kind of loose. But it doesn't go down my head anymore. So. All right. Okay. So that is the wig called Dazzle. Pretty color. I like that it is kind of frosted. I don't know. I like the style. It seems a little flat on top for me. My blondish, light blonde, gray hair. Kind of cool coming through there. I don't know. So, tell me what you think in the comments. Like I said, new color, which is going to still be available. It's not rooted, but it almost looks like it is a little bit with that shading up there, different colors. I'm not opposed to an unrooted wig, although I do love my rooted wigs. Yeah, I like the style a lot, very much. Very Misty-esque hairnet. I would not go out of the house in this color and hope to run into somebody I knew. Most of the people that I know do not know that I wear wigs. Only a few close friends are aware of it, and unless they've told somebody, then you know. But I don't even care anymore. Seriously, I don't worry about my hair. I don't worry about what my hair looks like. I know that when I put it on, it looks great. Unless I have some serious wig slipping going on, or it's extremely windy outside, I don't really even think about my wig when I'm out in public. It's now just become a part of me, so I don't worry. And to tell you the truth, I don't really care what other people say. Yeah, so hey, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.